Friends, now we have come up with another topic. E-rupees means electronic rupees. India is one of the latest country which has introduced rupees, their currency, in electronic format. So now we will be able to see our rupiah, Indian rupees, in physical and in electronic format as well. The technology is a very good thing which provides a wide range of availability. So now we will discuss what is electronic rupees, how it works, what is the benefit, what is the demerits, and why it is required. So RBI is the governing body which maintains rules and regulation for financial banks and maintains the arrangement of the INR rupees as well in India. So rupee has a new face which is electronic face of rupees here. So now from 1st December onward, RBI has allowed to start pilot project for introduction of electronic rupees for retail customer, like individual or any individual person can use electronic rupees. Why it is allowed and what is the benefit, now we will discuss. So first of all, in pilot project, RBI has allowed 4 banks to deal these electronic rupees for individual retailers, and in pilot project only 4 cities of the countries are allowed to handle these electronic rupees. So in pilot project, the 4 bank is, first one is SBI, second one is ICICI, third one is Yes Bank, and fourth one is IDFC. These are the bank which will provide the electronic rupees to retailers, individuals. Now we will discuss in which locations these facilities are available. Only on a pilot basis, only 4 cities are allowed. So now we will discuss the 4 cities. So 4 cities name is, first one is, as you are aware, Mumbai. Second one is Delhi. Okay. Third one is Bengaluru. And fourth one is Bhubaneswar. These are the cities where on the pilot project 4 cities and 4 bank are allowed to handle this electronic rupees. So we will discuss each and everything related to our rupees which is in now electronic format. We will discuss about the road to digital currency, means reason. What was the reason why India went to digitize their currency, means rupees? So first of all, as we are aware that technology is the very big thing. With technology, anything can be achieved with short span of time. For example, in physical currency like rupees, the movement of currency is very risky. First of all, from RBI, any bank take the money to their currency chest. Okay, from currency chest, that banks take the movement of rupees to their multiple branches. Multiple branches keep the currency at their level. Okay, and they supply the currency to other clients. So movement of funds, physical rupees from this to this is very risky, and it involves lot of cost as well. Now what will happen if electronic currency will be introduced? So they won't need to move currency from RBI to multiple branches. So once the bank will purchase currency from RBI, only the bank will be any SBI or ICICI. Now they are the authorized bank to run pilot project. They will be able to provide the electronic currency directly to clients, branches. They don't need to move physically and invest a lot of cost for movement. So once RBI has decided to create a reach and also create a substitute for physical currency. So now what will happen, once we will require to use physical currency, we just need to go to the bank like SBI or ICICI, yes, or IDFC. We just go to bank and take the electronic currency as in our account or in our wallet. In both way we can keep these currency. So we will discuss in detail how to keep, what is the way out, and what will be the benefit of currency. Friends, now we will discuss about the e-rupees, electronic rupees type. So in electronic rupees, once you will be able to get rupees in electronic format, like any bank, ICICI, SBI, yes, or IDFC. What you can do, you will be able to get in your account or you can get in your wallet. How it will work? So first of all, if you have an account with any ICICI, this is the ICICI bank. Okay, so once you have approached to ICICI, ICICI will provide, debit your account and provide the digital currency, e-currency in your account in other form. Okay, you can keep the digital currency in your account. Also you can keep like a physical currency, the electronic currency also you can keep in your wallet, where you don't need bank while making the payment, because this is the separate from a bank account. So you don't need while making the payment. For example, if you are here and you are making payment to any vendor, this is your vendor. Okay, so what you can do, either in physical form you will just make the payment while physical currency. Okay, if you are using a electronic currency, e-rupees, then you also don't need the bank required. Just you will just debit your e wallet and make the payment to them. While how you can make the payment? Just using your ID and password, like in UPI payment or any other payment, Google Pay or other, what you are using, you are using bank server, or you are using the e-wallet provider server. But here you don't need any server, or you don't need to pay any charges. You will just use your electronic rupees which is in your wallet. You can make the payment to vendor. So with two method, rupees in your wallet or in your account, you can use maximum in electronic rupees while making the payment or carrying this electronic rupees. Like if you want to carry rupees, you cannot carry unlimited, because it's have a physical evidence, so you have a limitation to carry. But electronic rupees you can carry as much as you can, so there is no limitation, so you can carry anywhere. So there is a risk if you are carrying physical currency. Okay, but here is there is no risk. Okay, so lot of benefits is also available for electronic rupees, and there is no charge you need to make the intermediary while making the payment to vendors, because this is the electronic form of our rupees only. So we will discuss in detail in other slide. We will discuss about the reason, since RBI has worked a lot on this project, and after many years of research, now they have decided to launch electronic rupees in November 1st. Okay, they have started for the only corporate to use. Now they have started from 1st December for retail segment to use electronic rupees, but this is limited for 4 cities only, and the pilot is allowed for 4 bank now. So what is the reason why RBI has come up with the electronic rupees? So first of all, reach. If you can reach, because any physical currency if you are carrying, wherever you will go you can carry only. Otherwise the physical currency cannot go. Either you need to send someone to someone, you need to carry that rupees in physical currency only. Second one is the cost. For first of all, the printing cash have a multiple cost involved. To reduce cost, RBI has, what they have done, they have converted this in electronic format only. This is the similar of our physical currency or physical rupees. This is just their electronic format only. There is nothing changed. All the denomination for like 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000, all the currency notes will be same, only their electronic format is introduced. Third one, you can say, the risk of robbery or anything which is reduced. Also the risk of, you can say, the fake currency, because in maybe somewhere you have face the fake currency notes in your wallet, but now with electronic rupees there is no risk of getting fake currency. So there are other also multiple reason, like innovations, because in currency, physical currency, there is no innovation is involved, but with the electronic rupees, with the innovation, they can go multiple things they can do. So this is the reason why RBI has come up with electronic currency. Hope we will see the whole country while using the our electronic rupees. So now we will discuss about the scenario before electronic rupees launched. So now, as we are aware, our rupees is going to digitize. So we will see the electronic rupees. So with this picture, we will try to understand what was the scenario. First of all, like C is a individual who wants to use electronic INR rupees digital our currency. So first of all, what she can do, she can use from her account or she can use her wallet. Okay, so earlier before digitization, what she can do, she can use her physical currency. In physical currency, what she can do, she can take physical currency from the bank via ATM or cash counter. She can carry, but she have a limitation because she cannot carry unlimited cash. There is a risk for carrying the cash. Okay, once she will have the cash, she can directly make the payment to vendors. These are the vendors. Okay, she can make the payment in cash. And other way, what she can do, she can make the payment via currency available in her account. To available benefit of account payment, what she can do, she also need to have a intermediary like bank, because she needs to use the bank server while making the payment to vendor. So there are multiple risks, like first of all, that maybe server is down. Okay, or she needs to make the charges, make the payment for charges. Maybe bank may take time. Also for settlement, it may take time for few hours or few days to make the payment. So there are few things with this graph you will be able to understand. Before the electronic digitization of rupees, what was the scenario. We will discuss about the scenario after launch of electronic rupees, means digitization. So earlier we have discussed what was the challenges, what was the scenario. Now we will discuss about the benefit or any changes after the digitization of rupees. So first of all, like C is a person, individual who wants to use the electronic rupees. There are two types she can use, whether from her account or from her wallet. Okay, in earlier, to use her wallets, what was required, she must get the money physically. She needs to take the physical money from the bank in from it or ATM or any cash counter. But now what she can do, she can debit her account and get the electronic rupees in her wallet. So with her wallet, she can directly make the payment to vendor. She doesn't require bank involvement, any intermediary bank to make the payment. What she can do, she can use her ID, password and make the payment directly to any vendor for any amount without any intermediary involvement or charges. Here what she can do, she can take the benefit. She doesn't need to carry any physical currency. So there is no risk of carrying physical currency. So here no risk. The main benefit is no risk of carrying. Second one is there is no charges. there is no charges of bank. Okay. Oh, sorry, here is the making the from wallet, so bank is not involved. But if she will make the payment from her account, like other earlier payment before launch of electronic rupees, also she doesn't need to pay the charges to bank. So benefit is multiple benefits. Over the year you will be able to see. Now this is the pilot run only. So bank RBI will provide the multiple guideline for using. Now only in 4 cities it is being launched, which is the like Mumbai, Delhi, Bhubaneswar and Bengaluru. So these are the pilot cities where electronic rupees is being launched. Discussion with a lot of benefits of electronic rupees, digitization of our rupees. Now we will discuss about the challenges. So since we have discussed lot of benefits are there, also challenges are also there, since India is literacy is very low. People are not tech savvy in India. Most of the people live in village, so there are limited people who lives in cities, so they are about aware about the technology. So first challenges will be the tech. So because India is not tech savvy, so this will be the first challenge. People will not be able to accept easily, so they will not accept. Okay. So another one is the lot of wrong thing, like hacker may try to hack the server or anything related to electronic rupees, so that they can get the rupees and they can use. So this will be the another challenges. Other challenges is also like village, they don't have a lot of technology, or electricity or anything, Wi-Fi or net, due to which they won't be able to use it. So these are the challenges we can feel India will may face. They may come up with another solution so that this can be used. So hope with this video I will be able to make you clear what is electronic rupees, what was the reason, and what is the challenges we may face of electronic rupees. Thank you guys.